Here we are on Friday, July 16th in the Friendly Boat Shop. Foredeck hatches are all done. Hatch combings are done, completely painted inside. This is the wet hatch. This is the crew bunk and crew quarters. Here's our main bulkhead on the front of the boat, or is it the back of the boat? I don't know. Cockpit seats, engine compartment, and another cockpit seat. That's Susanne. Fiberglass taping them in. What we did here is built a big wooden and fiberglass I-beam that will hold the mast right in the middle about here. The cabin is also going on that, so that about half this cockpit, you can see the seats on the other side, so that about half the cockpit seats are covered against the weather. This is one of the cargo holds right here. Here's the fish hold in the center. This is the engine compartment. Another cargo hold, and Susanne is working on one of the passenger seats with a removable piece in the center, of course, so you can stow stuff down in the middle.